Good day, dear students. We had talked about past simple and past perfect tenses in context. Level pre-intermediate, lesson focus, grammar. Aim. Practice past simple and past perfect tenses in context. Develop reading, comprehension and speaking skills. We had talked about story James Howells. Let's remember the story of James Howells. In November 2013, James Howells started searching an animal's rubbish dump. He was looking for a computer hard drive which he had thrown away 3 months earlier. The hard drive contained 7,500 bitcoins, a virtual currency that people use online. He had bought the bitcoins for almost nothing in 2009. But by 2013, the value of a single bitcoin had risen to over $1,000. So the value of Howell's collection had increased to $7.5 million. In 2010, Howells, who works in IT, had taken his computer apart because he had spilled a drink on it. He had first kept the hard drive and had sold the other parts. When in 2013 he heard about the value of the virtual currency, it was too late. He had thrown the hard drive away. He had totally forgotten about the bitcoins. Howells never found the hard drive, and unfortunately, he hadn't saved any of his data. Learn how to talk about two things that happened in the past. One happened before the other. Past perfect. He had written the letter. Past simple. He sent the letter. Past perfect, the first early action, and past simple, the second later action. Example: he had thrown away the hard drive. That happened first. Then he realized it was valuable. This happened after. Match and choose. Which tense is correct? Match the correct pairs. Some are already obvious. Choose the correct verb form from the three options. Past simple, past perfect, both are in the past simple. The first sentence. He buy bitcoins before he realized their value. A. Bought realized. B. Had bought realized. C. Bought had realized. Your answer? Yes, B. He had bought bitcoins before he realized their value. The second. She leaves the shop. When she realized she forgot her phone. Had left realized. Left had realized. Leaves realized. Your answer? Yes, you are right. A. She had left the shop when she realized that she forgot her phone. The third. They not finish the test before the bell ring. A. Didn't finish ring. B. Hadn't finished ring. C. Hadn't finished ring. Had run. Your answer is right. B. They hadn't finished the test before the bell rang. The fourth. We already eat dinner when he arrived. A. Already ate arrived. B. Had already eaten arrived. C. Had already ate had arrived. Your answer is you're right. B. We had already eaten dinner when he arrived. The fifth. I never seen that film. A. And before we watched it in class. A. Never saw watched. B. Had never seen watched. C. Had never saw had watched. Your answer is you are right, B. I had never seen that film before. We watched it in class. Thank you for your attention.